Hello guys, welcome to C tutorial part 6, powered by Make Programming Easy, made by Sanjay Kumar and supported by Mrityunjay. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you what is data type or what are the data types of C language, means how many data types that C language supports. Note, actually we have learned so many definitions from book, but in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you, so just you leave the definition of book and create your own definition. And as you know that own definitions are memorizable for the future in longer periods, so please try to make your own definitions. Simply, data type means the type of data that we can use in our programming. And what does it mean? So you have to wait just for 2 minutes for understanding data types. Now, in our C programming, data types are of two types. First one is primary data type and second one is derived data types. And what is primary and what is derived? Just you have to wait. Now, what is primary data types? The basic data types that C supports, means the basic data type that our C language supports is called primary data type. Character, integer, float, void are the basic data types that our C programming supports. And here is the character. Character is categorized into char, signed char and unsigned char. Char is the simple data type and signed char means the value lying from -128 to 127. And unsigned char means 0 to 255. Simply, signed means there is a sign either positive or negative, or unsigned means there is no sign. So signed char lies between -128 to 127 and unsigned char lies between 0 to 255, means total 256 characters supports C language. Now, what is integer? And character is of one type. Character is of 1 byte. Now, integer. The integer values lies between -32768 to 32767. Now, it is also categorized in signed and unsigned. Signed int, short int, long int, then int, short int, long int. And here is the range of unsigned 0 to 65535. And if you worried about what is this range, what this range signifies, then please just you have to wait for the next tutorial, because the next tutorial I have made about the ranges and how we can categorize into ranges. Just I have made in the next tutorial. In this tutorial I have given just overview of all data types in C programming. Now, integer is ranges from this to this, signed categorization from negative to positive, and unsigned from 0 to 65535. It does not take negative value. And I have given a easy trick. Signed means it contains positive and negative. This is a signed range of integer which indicates negative value to positive value, and unsigned means there is no negative value, there is no positive value. It ranges from 0 to this. Now, the next data type is float. Float value ranges from this 3.4 e minus, sorry, I have made 38, but this is 3.4 e minus 38 to 3.4 e plus 38. Sorry for my mistake. And it is also categorized into float, double, long double. What it indicates? It indicates the byte size of float value. Means it is of either 4 byte, it is either of 8 byte, it is either of 16 byte. It depends upon the compiler size and it varies compiler to compiler. Suppose in my compiler the integer has the byte value of 2 byte, but in some specific compilers the integer have 4 byte also. Now, the next thing is void data type. Void means null, means no type. Means here I have character type, integer type, float type, but in void we don't have any type. Means it containing null value. Example, int a, float f, char c, means this is a variable of integer type, this is a variable of float type, c is a variable of character type, but void means there is no type for any variable. We came to know that data type is nothing. It basically decides which variable stores or contains which data type. So, as we have discussed in our previous slides that what is data type, now we came to know that data type is nothing. It indicates a variable which is indicated or we specified by a certain data type. Here is an example. Suppose int a means what? Data type is a type which indicates or which specifies the type of data. Means here is a is a variable of type integer. So integer data type which indicates that variable a is of integer type and it contains only integer value. F contains only float value. Why it contains float value? Because float is a data type which is specified float value for f. Now, the second data type which we have to study, derived data type. Primary data type are character, integer, float and void, which we have learned. Now derived data type are those data type which contains arrays, functions, structures, pointers. So what are these data types, arrays, functions, structures and pointers? Just we have to wait for the later video sessions, because I have made in later video sessions in great details about arrays, functions, structures and pointers. In this tutorial, for short knowledge, you have just keep in mind that arrays, functions, structures and pointers are of derived data type. Arrays contain some values of same data type. Functions, just it contains some code which makes our working in C in easier way. Structures and unions contains the value of different data types, and pointers are used just for address location, memory location of variable. So don't worry about these derived data types. We gonna learn in great detail in later video session. In this video tutorial, I have given overview of primary data type and derived data type. Now, if you have any query about this tutorial, then please mail us at cscitsanjay@gmail.com. You also like us on Facebook, and also you can tweet us on this address. Subscribe on us YouTube for upcoming videos. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.